back to another episode of Wolf Settlement. We're back with Freya, who is in spectator mode, and we've both, well, I've realised, I think Freya already knew, obviously, because she just told me, but you can go inside people, you can, like, possess animals and players to see what they're seeing. So right now, Freya is actually seeing everything that I'm seeing, which is kind of weird. But, oh. Okay. Well, anyway. What? Yeah. So, I was thinking today we could, check out the nether hub. Because, believe it or not, I have not seen it. Because, I don't know, I just couldn't be bothered. But, apparently, it's finished. Right, so, yeah, we're just here. Freya, are you coming?
Yeah, I'm inside you.
Oh. Okay. Okay, we're going into the nether. Whoa! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Whoa, this is beautiful!
I'm not sure I can get into the nether. I seem to be...
Ah. This is awesome! I love this. It's a bit laggy in the nether. That's just because it hasn't loaded in. But this is amazing! Whoa!
I have been kicked out of the nether.
Oh no!
Apparently you cannot... We're going through a nether portal.
There's even pressure plates by the door. How long did this take you? Literally. Whoa. You're still wearing your mermaid world skin.
Wanna have a look outside?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, Freya has another world where she has a mod pack on called Origins, and in Origins she's basically like this kind of mermaid. She has a mermaid tail, and she can only breathe when she's underwater. So that's kind of crazy, but cool. And that's the skin she uses for that world, which is why she's not in her normal skin. But wait, where did you go, Freya?
I'm inside you. I'm now ghost.
Oh no! Like one day I really want to like go over to like sort of where like that Enderman's standing, but like yeah, and then like kind of like, whoa, wait, you're in creative.
Yeah.
Can you get me
Not to be...
a Can you get me a Strider by any chance?
No.
Oh, I really want a pet Strider because in one world I actually like have a pet shop where I took the time to like split the Striders from boy to girl, and like literally it was so hard. And then like, because obviously Minecraft animals don't really have like a gender, like boy or girl. I don't know really. I think they can change from being a boy to a girl, which is kind of weird, but yeah. But basically, I spent all that time, and then I didn't realise, but then they changed, like, from being boy to girl. It's like, oh no! But yeah. Oh, you can't see my wolf ears when I have my helmet on. I'm just gonna take this off so you can see it. I just love my wolf ears. I don't know why. They're so cute. Okay, I'll put my helmet back on. I really don't want to fall into the lava because then I'll lose all my stuff.
Yeah, that would be annoying.
Yeah, I mean, and I have 2 diamonds with me. I mean, it's kind of foolish, but... I'm just going to go back to the overworld. How do I get in? Oh, I get in here. Okay, just going in into the nether portal again. Oh no, I just ran in and out. Okay, let's go back to Earth. Minecraft's Earth. Okay, we're back in by our beautiful little lava pit over there. And let's get the terrain to spawn in by walking over this way. I think next episode we'll be trying out Freya's parkour course, which she's finishing off. She's been finishing off and doing it, doing more of it for the past few times we've played on the realm off camera. But yeah.
I'm coming. Do you know striders can do parkour?
Oh my goodness!
That's
Whoa!
the jump.
Whoa! Oh, that's awesome! Oh, that's...
Right.
Whoa! Can I have it? How much will it cost me? I have 2 diamonds.
2,000 diamonds.
I'll give you my 2 diamonds.
No, I want 2,000. There you go.
Stridey!
And get your diamonds. They will be annoying to lose.
Huh. Thank you. Oh my goodness, let me ride you. Oh my goodness, I'm riding a strider for this first time in Minecraft Java. Yay! This is so exciting. Whoa, this is so cool. Oh my goodness. Wait, how do you ride striders?
You steer them with the warp.
I was gonna say, I think I'm missing something that was like, oh, yeah, the warped fungi. Do you have any?
Well, creative. If you didn't know, you can get unlimited everything.
Well, yeah. Can I have some unlimited thingy things?
Yeah, sure.
Yay! It's weird how when you ride mobs with saddles, I don't know if you can see there, when you kind of zoom into your hearts, they look like saddles or dog faces, you know.
Striders' hearts.
Yeah. It also happens with horse hearts as well. Oh, thank you. Yay! Okay, now let's get an action shot. Me just riding my lovely strider. Oh, I know. Actually, wait, what? Oh no, I'm just going along. Okay, guys, remember, if you have any name suggestions for my strider, then make sure to put that in the comments. So whichever name has the most suggestions on it, whoever suggested the name the most, will get the thing named. Also, what I want to call it is not, but anyway. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. See you all in another episode. Bye!